Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can save a Google Sheet on desktop. Again, how you can save a Google Sheet on desktop. So let's go quick into it. So I have this Google Sheet to-do list. Now, first is you need to look at your keyboard and then press Control plus P or Control P, and then this small window will appear on the right pane. Now, if you want to set it to the landscape or portrait or landscape, it's up to you. Now, let's click on portrait and then click on the next button. And then you will find this drop down arrow that is under printer. Click on this drop down arrow. And then here, we need to look for this option, save as PDF. Click on that. Now, click on save. And then I'm going to just name it as it is, to-do list Google Sheets, and then save as type. Just leave it as it is and then click on save. Now we need to open the file. Now close this window. And then you need to make a right click at the start button, select File Explorer, go to Downloads, right click on your PDF file, click on Show More Options. Here you will find this option, Send To. Click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Now let's close this. And there you go. You have just saved the Google Sheet on your desktop. Or you can directly save it to the desktop where you for the destination path. So let me quickly open again the file. To-do list. So we need to press Control P. Now click on Save as PDF, click on Save. Here you need to simply click on Desktop and then click on Save. And then once you're on the desktop, you will find this. So those are the two ways on how you can save a Google Sheet on desktop. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.